Good morning, little kitties. Hello, my cute dog. Oh, hello, Sora. Good morning. We're going to the office today. Hi, Don. So I've been eating freshly lately. I've tried Factor 75. It's actually really good, but freshly, I just wanted to try it for a bit too before I say yes or no to it. So that's what I'm bringing to lunch. It's freshly. He's so not excited to go to the office today. He's like, I want to be home. Yeah, so regression testing is basically we're going through all of the workday updates, and then we're going to see like with the current tenant that they have, are there going to be any issues? So that's what we're doing, is like really documenting all of them. So when we're talking about QC Center, really is to see all the scenarios that they provided, and then we basically perform it for them. We go into the tenant and specifically preview tenant, and then we do all of that and see like, okay, did it run as expected? Did we get any random errors? What was the output that they wanted showing up the way they wanted it? It gets a little bit weird though, because sometimes they don't actually tell us exactly what the output is. They tell us what's the input in, so we don't know if it passed or not. But we're actually supposed to be taking screenshots and then also uploading them into QC Center. Look at that Nespresso machine. You can get kombucha on tap, cold brew, coffee, nitro, some snacks. Ooh, I want to get one. This, I could literally make my own latte art. So, scan it. Look at that view. So I have a shadow resource, and I actually just walked her through what we've been working on in the project, and I'm also allowing her to take over a demo for us. So that's going to be like in 2 weeks. I showed her the demo myself, told her the configuration, what was the ask of the client, and she's going to be working on that for the next week or so. And we're going to do a run through for next week to see how she's going to be like. Next week I'm actually going to be doing advanced reporting training, so that is going to be a little bit different, because I will be training like 11 a.m. onwards, but still doing some work before that. It's a full 8-hour day, 5-day training with an exam at the end, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to actually be using that as a vlog as well, so you'll be taken along with me.
Rain, this is matcha, so this is just to welcome everyone back to the office. Really
Where's
good.
this from? Oh, I love their cream puffs. They're really good. Bibble and sip.
Good.
Kombucha on tap.
But first time having kombucha actually.
Kombucha has alcohol in it.
Well, You guys have drinking that way?
So back from lunch, and now we have a call with the client to answer any questions about specifically workday projects and budgets. Okay, yeah, that would have been the way to do it, because there's a way you can seamlessly push in time tracking into the project itself, so it would track there. But if it's not there, I think it would need some work on there. Otherwise, this is really looking for like a workaround, right? To track it, but not really have it synced up with the time tracking. She just dropped. Come back here.
I'm drinking beer.
But it's kombucha. Let's go. 60th floor. Oh, this is gonna be the room we're here for. Look at that. My name's on there. Fun and games. Ooh, we get privacy. You don't need people to see that we're playing video games. It's probably case sensitive too. I don't know. Okay.
I think it's case sensitive. I got the wrong one. Somebody else is working on that.
I can't do your job for you, but I'm thinking scorpion.
Insect.
It's time for him to warm up his dinner, and then we're gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna change it to green. Green. Work is finished. Now we're going to swim. See, look, it looks really like I don't even see rain. Wish us luck. So we're going to our gym at Lifetime 23rd Street, which is a 20-minute walk away. Shouldn't be that bad. The rain is not even that heavy, actually. It's just a drizzle. So let's see. Wow, look at that. Oh, finally back. Like shit, like wow. So we're in the jacuzzi now. So he is actually doing well. So I'm actually trying to teach him how to do freestyle, or just in general teach him how to swim. So he's been doing pretty well in freestyle. He just needs some practice. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I'm still learning, so hopefully I get better soon.
Yeah, so today I tried to teach him a little bit of breaststroke, and he's kind of getting it, but he needs to get the timing right, which is basically why it makes breaststroke so hard.
No.
It's my fair shirt.
Hi, Don. Don. Oh, so cute. Thank you for greeting me.
All right, guys, we're back here at home, and we're watching Graham Stephan. We're watching this Graham Stephan video from his Graham Stephan show video. And he's making Indomie. A little snack. A little snack.
Hi, Don. How are you doing, baby girl? My little girl.
Can someone tell me if anyone else's cat is like this? Oh my god! My boy.